this is worth touching on a little bit more. Let me teach you a little bit of law. Now, I'm not an attorney. Remember that. My name is Dr. Heidi Woodick. I am not, N-O-T, not an attorney. However, I have gone through extensive legal abuse and major injustices, so I've been researching the heck out of this law, the color of law and the Constitution. So anyways, to claim for a GAL for an adult, which means a guardian ad litem, an adult has to be an incapacitated person, which means they're pretty much a vegetable. Okay? They're so disabled that they pretty much can't think, speak, or rationalize at all. And it doesn't mean that they're incompetent to the law, that they can't proceed. It means they're incapacitated. Big difference, like a vegetable. Okay? And in order to have a GAL, you have to have a medical hearing with medical doctors deeming the adult incapacitated. This lady took a GAL position in the water court case without deeming me incapacitated. I asked her to contact Michael Franti's attorney to verify that he did not write it because I had proof. I know how Michael writes, and I know that that letter is not in his writing format or style. Well, she didn't want to do that. She didn't do anything. In fact, I asked her to get me an appraisal, and she did not call anybody. She did not one thing for me, nothing. Which, guess what, Allison Ernst? Guess what that means in law? Now that you're a judge and you took an illegal act and you did an conspiring, doing an organized crime so you could get a judicial seat, so you could lie and be in the little loop and in the ring of the judicial corruption so they could test you to see if you're going to do more lies for them. That's how it works. That's how it works. Well, anyways, it's called motive. Yes, we have motive on you. And so that's a big thing in a criminal case, is establishing motive. Thank you for giving us a motive, because you didn't have any motive and you didn't have any legal clout to be a GAL in the water case. You refused to recuse yourself, and you acted against the color of law, what's called sedition, when it's a part of the treason clause, and the laws, the statutes, the codes, and that's a part of treason. It's also a part of domestic terrorism. And so what the judges did was they asked you to do illegal things so that way you could get into their little gang. Yeah, that's a gang. That's exactly how gangs work. You commit a crime so you can fit in, so that way they know that you're going to cover their ass and more lies later. Well, hope they cover your butt when you go down in federal court. That's all I gotta say, because usually they don't. They are little slimy little lizards who are sick little snakes who won't cover your butt, Allison Ernst, when it's your time to take the hot seat. Trust me, I've been around these people my entire life. Trust me, you should have told the truth, honey. Your husband's gonna be real ashamed of you. Same with your mama and your daddy.